Right, so in the last video we noticed that we couldn't log in. Got this. The problem is that when we installed sites here, they wouldn't provide a site ID. So what happens that when we include this app, it allows us to have more than one application running on the same Django installation. When you think about it, this is an efficient way of doing things. So that, for example, you could have your home running on, say, home.moringa.com, or you can have maybe your first app running on another domain, and so on and so forth. So to make that work, what you're gonna do, you just need to add in a site ID. So since this is our first application, we're just gonna give it a site ID of 1. So that's all. Okay, check it. Okay, so now that works. So now let's try and register someone. So let's say change that I have, put in a random password, put in another random password, then we select join. So what's happening now is that Django is trying to send me a confirmation email. If you have your keys set up for SMTP, which we talked about here, you must have done this a while ago. So for email, so if you have this properly set up, then this should work for you, right? So you'll get this. You can use my key. However, this is a test key, which means nothing. The email won't get sent out. Alright. So once you have reached there, then the email should have been sent out. So we can quickly check the email that was sent out. Actually, it's this one. It's the activation email text. Then you can check it. Alright, so all it says is register the site domain registration active. Okay, so we don't know because this URL is given by name, so we can quickly check out all the URLs registered. Whenever you do a random things, tells you if that's registered here. Alright, so this is our URL. This is its pattern. So you pass in activate, and then the activation key. So this is how you get our activation key. It can be easily gotten from the admin side. You go to the admin, and you go to registration profile. Then you check out. Right, so it's activation key for this user. So you just need to copy that out, and you can easily rebuild our URL. So URL looks something like this, and then you pass in the activation code. Right, so far so good. So let's do that, and done. So the user is now activated. So which is now just another normal user in our account. You can check it here. It's here, it's available. You can log out, say to log in. So accounts, login. Let's provide the username that you provided. A random password as usual. Okay. So this automatically creates the user. However, we have not yet set up what should happen to the user after that. So that's it. Right, so let's get there. Let's have our site ID set up. Let's have login working.